The creators of the Easy Sidecar get many questions about this bike. They say it's faster than you think, thanks to its advanced design. This is the updated Easy Sidecar 3 with a completely redesigned sidecar. The bike now has an advanced torque sensing system and 5 riding modes, including a cargo mode perfect for carrying heavy loads. The Easy Sidecar 3 can support up to 180 kilograms. The frame comes in one size, fitting people from 1.6 to 2 meters tall. With its dual battery, the bike can travel about 160 kilometers on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. This bike is priced at $490. HASE bikes combine the benefits of several bike types. Take the Kvel Cross Steps model, for example. Its wheels suggest it's a trike, providing excellent stability even on rough terrain. The riding position is similar to a recumbent bike, and it comes with a Shimano Steps motor to help with tough pedaling, making it an electric bike. The folding frame is practical, especially since this engineering marvel weighs 30 kilograms but can support up to 140 kilograms. Additionally, it can be fitted with a canopy, turning it into something between a sleeping bag and a tent on wheels. The Kvel Cross Steps sells for about $9,000. Top Secret has designed bikes with hubless wheels and a special electric motor that delivers 750 watts of power, which is more than many competitors. The bike is powered by a 20GR battery and offers 130 kilometers of comfortable riding in pedal assist mode. Despite its clunky appearance, the bike weighs only 26 kilograms and is great for urban commuting. Customers can choose options like a carbon fiber saddle with air suspension and a mini camera that records video in 1080p and supports TF memory cards up to 128 GB. The bike costs about $4,000. AJ Protec surprises us with its innovative engineering solutions. Take a look at their debut electric recumbent trike. It looks more like an electric car embryo than a traditional bike. AJ Protec aims to transform urban and suburban commuting with this design. Although this is just the first version, adjustments are underway. The company hints at future mass production. Details on its specs are scarce, but the creators promise a range of 161 kilometers on a full battery, speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, and a weight under 45 kilograms. They've named it Terraglide, but the price remains unknown. How much would you pay? In Germany, 27% of people have had their bike stolen at least once, and in the UK, annual losses from bike theft are estimated at $2.3 million. To combat this, companies worldwide are racing to create the best anti-theft protection. However, YERKA has taken a different approach. Why bother with locks and cables when technology can create a secure bicycle? Here's how it works. Unlock the bottom tube of the frame, adjust the seat post, press the lock button, and voila! Your bike is securely fastened to a pole. This unique solution has no analogs in the world. Transforming the bike takes just 10 to 15 seconds, and unlocking it requires a special key. Canyon is well known among cycling fans, and even cyclocross world champion Mathieu van der Poel races on one of their models. Let's take a look at the Speedmax CFR track to see how good Canyon bikes are. Engineers spent 2 years, 155 hours of track testing, and 442 supercomputer simulations developing this bike. The result is the fastest bike in Canyon's history. Compared to most track bikes, it looks incredibly slim. Canyon engineers believe that wheel axles should be narrowed to 40 mm instead of the usual 100 mm. This, along with other design choices, is fully legal for racing and approved by the International Cycling Union. However, the Speedmax CFR track comes with a hefty price tag of $24,000. Continuing with the sports theme, let's move on to the RoadRower, developed by world rowing champion Bert Cattell. The idea came to him after realizing he had rowed the equivalent of twice around the world without ever leaving the gym. That wasn't much fun, so he envisioned a bicycle that mimics rowing movements. This bike engages over 90% of the major muscle groups in the body. The RoadRower is set to go into production in the first half of this year. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but you can leave your email on their website for updates. Bike manufacturers know customers want something unique. That's why Specialized launched the Speed of Light collection with color-changing paint, and Canyon added anime-style designs to their AeroAd bike. But these don't compare to custom enthusiasts' creations. Check out this chopper-style masterpiece, tagged LA120 on social media. Its standout feature is the fork with pneumatic elements, allowing for flexible ground clearance adjustments or dazzling YouTube performances. Here's a custom project that many bike enthusiasts can recreate. You can find instructions, a parts list, and photo and video guides at labridi.com. No secrets here. The main components are UV LEDs and glow-in-the-dark paint. You'll also need plastic or plexiglass pieces to create the wheel inserts. A power bank can serve as the power source, and a compact version can be easily hidden under the saddle. Wiring from the LED elements can be attached to a USB connector. Depending on the power bank model, you can enjoy a bright ride for over 8 hours on a single charge. The Chat Bike Rickshaw offers a solution for people who struggle or feel unsafe walking alone. For instance, a person can pedal while their elderly parents relax in the seats, or a father can take his young children to the nearby park. With 8 gears, a silent electric pedaling assistance system, and a battery that lasts 64 kilometers, it guarantees a comfortable ride. This is especially useful given the maximum weight capacity of 120 kilograms for the driver and 200 kilograms for the passengers. However, the Chat comes with a hefty price tag of around $9,700.